Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of cloud computing with a focus on Microsoft Azure. So, grab your virtual passport because we are about to embark on an incredible journey through the cloud.
Let's start from the ground up. Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform that offers a wide range of services to help individuals and businesses build, deploy, and manage applications through Microsoft's global network of data. Azure provides a comprehensive suite of tools that cater to diverse needs. The best part? You only pay for what you use, making it incredibly cost-effective. Centers.
Why should I choose Microsoft Azure? We'll give you some compelling reasons. First off, scalability. Azure scalability allows your applications to grow seamlessly as your needs evolve. Faster load times and a better user experience for your applications, no matter where your audience is.
If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech-tastic content. Thanks for joining me today. Stay tuned, stay connected, and keep embracing the future.